Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to download LinkedIn on Android in 2026. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is make sure that you're either connected to a Wi-Fi or a mobile data network. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, a Wi-Fi icon will be seen in your status bar. If you're connected to a mobile data network, then either 4G or 5G will appear next to your network status. The other thing that you can do is head over to settings on your device, scroll all the way down, hit About Phone, and in About Phone, hit Software Information. Make sure that your Android version listed over here is at least Android 9.0 or higher. This phone is running Android 16, so we're good to go. What you can do next is head over to your app drawer and then in the search bar simply type in Play Store. Open up Play Store on your device and then in the search bar search for, go or enter on your keyboard, and then install LinkedIn. Make sure that you're logged into your Google account before you try to install LinkedIn. If not, then you'll be prompted to log into your Google account in which you'll have to enter your credentials. After that, you'll be able to download LinkedIn. After LinkedIn has been downloaded, you can open the app, log in, and start posting or looking for jobs. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.